agreed is to be allowed to think about it. I understand what I'm saying. We'll think about it and we'll let the court know on Monday, which is the next adjourned date, by 22nd of May. Well, all the motions that were filed by the parties have been moved, and ruling was given just on one, which was moved by the Independent National Electoral Commission. A simple, non-contentious application. It was not opposed and it was granted. All other motions have been disposed of, unless any other one will be filed in the near future, which cannot be ruled out.
Let's say, considering the allegations the Labour Party and the presidential candidate have made against the election, will 50 witnesses alone be enough to
Against
the election?
Yes.
And the person who was declared winner, will 50 witnesses alone be enough to prove your case?
Yes, 50 will be enough. 50. That's what we have asked for. And I assure you that if we call 50 witnesses, the truth will be known.
Any other questions? One more, please, quickly.
The instruction talks about all counts of wheat, harmonized law. There are still some discrepancies arising from this. Like why?
No, if you at the pre-hearing, what has now been agreed is whichever party wants to tender documents will prepare a schedule and hand over to the other parties to the petition. If petitioners want to tender some documents, for instance, we will prepare a schedule of those documents and hand over to the other parties.
So that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So we'll go from there.
After you.
What? Okay. What does it say?
A pre-hearing session, the parties, we've now streamlined the witnesses we are calling, the times allocated to each witness, the times we are going to use. And we are very happy with the progress that is being made, and also the sacrifice that the court itself is making. You can see today is a Saturday, yet the court convened and sat in order to hear this matter, which underscores its importance. So once we finish with this pre-hearing, we now go into the actual hearing. We are very happy with the progress made so far.
Let's say, a lot of us have thought everything is concluded today, but it was adjourned to Monday, and one statement that was made, which is even a bit technical for a lot of us who are recovering, is that issue of consolidation. We want to really know what it means.
Yes, you'll notice that before rounding up, the court raised the issue and drew the attention of counsel to this issue of consolidation of petitions, which is provided by the first schedule to the Electoral Act. And the court has given us opportunity to go and brainstorm on this and then come back to make our opinions known. You know, there are now 3 presidential petitions pending, and the court needs to deal with all this expeditiously. And that is why this issue of consolidating all the petitions has come up. Fortunately, the matter is coming up on Monday. On Monday, we shall offer our opinion to the court, and the court will resolve this issue in the best way to make sure that this matter is dealt with speed. Thank you. Thank you.
Leave that.
Leave that aspect alone. That one is cross-examination they are doing on